Like many classrooms nationwide, Winter Park High School in Winter Park, Florida, is using interactive tools in its math classrooms to engage its students. The benefits of technology in the math classroom can be seen in results from pre-algebra classes to the highest calculus. In Donald Worster's advanced math classes, he and his students use Texas Instruments TI Inspired Navigator to enhance daily lessons. The TI Inspired Navigator is an interactive wireless classroom learning system designed to keep students engaged in the math lesson while also allowing the teacher to assess classroom progress instantly. It is a powerful addition to the teacher's toolbox.
The Navigator has done quite a bit for the student learning. Just in fact, the daily quizzes that I give, instantaneous feedback of what they kind of remember from the day before, but I also spiral those questions throughout the entire year.
What I most like about it is that the response is quick and that I can work fast and see what I mess up, what I get right, and Mr. Worcester can also see what I get wrong, what I get right almost immediately, and we can work with the system, find answers quickly, I can learn new math.
Texas Instruments provides teachers with tools that are research-proven to foster student success. The wireless TI Inspire Navigator system was developed to help math and science educators increase student engagement, instantly access the understanding of each student in the classroom, and maximize classroom efficiency. Compatible with the TI Inspire and TI Inspire CAS handhelds, the TI Inspire Navigator encourages group learning and active engagement to let students compare work in a non-threatening environment. Instant feedback shows how individual students and the class are progressing to help the teacher plan lessons and adjust instruction accordingly. Teachers can wirelessly transfer files to the entire class and collect, save, grade, and record student work electronically.
Using the TI Inspire Navigator makes it a much more personal experience for me. So as opposed to in other classes, maybe you just watch the teacher do something on the board and it's kind of vicarious learning. You have to pretend that you're him, but using the Navigator, it's much easier to see exactly how things work and do examples for yourself. And I think it's much easier to learn if you do something yourself than watching somebody else.
What I personally feel is best about the TI Inspire Navigator is that it's a lot of fun. Even though I can use them to learn math for calc and statistics, and I can get better grades in both of my AP classes because I know these new higher levels of math. I love using them in class because it makes my life easy.
When I first started teaching, my classroom had no technology, no graphing calculators, and it's gone into a classroom where we're using graphing calculators on a daily basis. The TI Inspire Navigator system has been a marked improvement. The students can visualize the mathematics so much more than we could 16 years ago when I first started.
For some educators, successfully integrating technology into the classroom can be a challenge. But with Texas Instruments' TI Inspire Navigator system, schools have a powerful next-generation teaching tool. Learn more about the TI Inspire Navigator at tiinspire.com.